Listen carefully, because I'm going to tell you what is about to happen. In a little while, you will not see me. And then after a little while, you will see me. Truly, truly I say to you, you will weep and lament, but the world will rejoice. You will be sorrowful, but your sorrow will turn into joy. When a woman is giving birth, she has sorrow because her hour has come. But when she has delivered the baby, she no longer remembers the anguish. It's replaced by joy that a human being has been brought into the world. So yes, you have sorrow now. But I will see you again, and your hearts will rejoice, and no one will take your joy from you. In that day, you will ask nothing more of me. Truly, truly, whatever you ask of the Father in my name, He will give it to you. Until now, you have asked nothing in my name. Ask, and you will receive, that your joy may be full. I have said so many things to you in figures of speech, and you have seen so many things that you haven't fully understood. Some because you cannot fully grasp all of this until my time is complete. But you have remained faithful. And the hour is coming when I will no longer speak to you in figures of speech, but will tell you plainly about the Father. In that day, you will ask in my name, and no longer will you need me to ask the Father on your behalf, for the Father Himself loves you. And you can ask Him directly, because you have loved me and have believed that I came from God. I came from the Father and have come into the world. And now, I am leaving the world and going to the Father.
Thank you.
For what?
You said it plainly. No longer using figures of speech.
I feel less anxious now.
Now we know that you know all things and do not need anyone to question you.
This is why we truly believe you came from God. Do you now believe? Always.
Always.
Yes.
Yes.
Hold on to that belief. Because I tell you, the hour is coming. Indeed, it has come, when you will be scattered, each to his own home, and will leave me alone.
Oh, Rabbi.
We would never do that. We never have to work.
This is not the time for your declarations of loyalty. I have heard them. And I do not doubt your earnest intentions. Time will reveal all things. Andrew, let's close with a hymn. But before we do, Be assured, all of you, I am not alone, for the Father is with me. I have said these things to you that in me you may have peace. For in this world you will have tribulation. But take heart. I have overcome the world.